In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your video downloads on Netflix. So if you want to see all the videos that you downloaded or movies that you downloaded on Netflix using your smartphone, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Netflix account on your smartphone and then head straight to this option. You'll see this download icon. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you should be able to see all the downloaded episodes and movies on your Netflix account. As you can see, I have this one. This is a series that I downloaded one episode and it is here. Alternatively, if you go to my Netflix here, you'll also see under your account all the downloads will be available or listed here. Go ahead and tap on see all to list or to see all the movies or TV shows that you downloaded. So that's how you can find your downloads on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.